Hello friends, welcome to the video lecture series of Engineering Mathematics 2. In continuation with differentiation under integral sign rule 1 and rule 2, today we are going to discuss the error function. This what is meant by error function? Error function is nothing but the integral. Here the error function is defined and denoted as ERF of x equals 2 by root pi integral 0 to x e to the power minus u square du. Here integration is being taken with respect to u, and error function of x is integral 0 to x. For error function of y, you may write 0 to y, error function of z 0 to z, error function of 1, you may write 0 to 1, and so on. Now, the complement of error function of x. The complement of error function and error function, what is the difference here? 2 by root pi is common, e to the power minus u square is common. Only the limits of integrations are x onwards. X onwards means limits varies from x to infinity. This is complement of error function. You may call it as ERFC also. Now, some results on error function. The error function of infinity is equal to 1. So this can be proved from this definition also. If you substitute x equal to infinity, then it will be 0 to infinity, and 0 to infinity e to the power minus u square is root pi by 2. 2 by root pi and root pi by 2 will get cancelled and 1 will remain. The error function of infinity is 1. Error function of 0 you can easily find out. Error function of 0 will be what? 2 by root pi 0 to 0. And the integral function which is being integrated in the same limit 0 to 0, its value will be 0. Error function of x plus complement of error function of x is 1. This is error function of x, this is complement of error function of x. If you add them, take 2 by root pi common, then 0 to x and x to infinity. That can be written as, if you combine these two integrals, then it will be 0 to infinity because of the continuity. And 0 to infinity e to the power minus u square is root pi by 2. And 2 by root pi by 2 will get cancelled. Therefore, addition of these two will be 1. The error function in terms of infinite series you may remember. Then error function is odd function. The error function of minus x or minus of ERF of x, because this function is odd function. Error function of x is 1 by root pi 0 to x square e power minus 2 e power minus 1 by. This result can be proved from this one. Complement of error function of x, the same thing, only limits are being changed. Here 0 to x square and here x square onwards. One more result, complement of error function of minus x plus complement of error function of x is 2. So this can be easily proved. Use this result, replace x by minus x, and eventually you will be getting 2. So all those results are important as an MCQs. As one of the MCQs may be asked on these results. Now, some short answer question on error function. The value of an integral 0 to t error function of ax plus 0 to t error function of this with respect to x again integral. The integration of error function. Here integration of error function. This we are going to simplify. Here 0 to t is common. Then error function of ax plus complement of error function ERFC, complement of error function of ax, integration I have taken common, dx also I am taking common. And this type of simple results may be asked as an MCQ. ERF plus ERFC is 1, then integral of 1 with respect to x is x, lower limit is 0, upper limit is t, then put x equal to t, put x equal to 0, and finally the integral value of this integration is t that we found, and options are also given, so this is the correct option. Now second one, error function of x plus error function of minus x is equal to what? Error function of x, error function is odd function, this minus can be brought outside, and error function of x minus error function of x is 0, means value of this is 0. Here, error function of minus x plus complement of error function of minus x, it is equal to 1. See here, error function of x plus error function, complement of error function of x is 1. Now, if error function of ax is given, then derivative of error function of x I want. Here, what is given to you? Error function of ax is given, which is 2 by root pi 0 to ax e to the power minus u square with respect to u integration. I want derivative of this, that taking derivative with respect to x is a parameter here. I am taking derivative with respect to x. Then I am using here differentiation under integral sign rule. Differentiation under integral sign rule 2 we are going to use. So what is second rule? In last video we discussed how to solve the problems on second Leibniz rule or differentiation under integral sign rule 2. So what we do here, 0 to ax integral, take derivative inside of the function, write down the second term in this function, replace u by upper limit. I am replacing u by upper limit multiplied by derivative of ax with respect to x. Derivative of ax with respect to x I am writing. Now, the lower limit is 0, therefore third term is 0. Next step, 2 by root pi. Here, I am taking partial derivative of e to the power minus u square. Yes, for derivative x is variable and u is constant. The derivative of e to the power minus u square is 0. And what is remaining? Second term is remaining. And derivative of ax with respect to x is a. In this way, derivative of error function of ax we have found. So this type of direct way you can use. Yes, by default 2 by root pi as it is. Take derivative of ax with respect to x. X is a parameter. Take derivative of ax with respect to x. What is the derivative of ax with respect to x? Is a. I have written here. And replace u by upper limit. That's all. Now the fifth one. If complement of error function of ax is given, then derivative of this we have to find. If I am telling you the direct step below. So 2 by root pi, we want derivative of complement of error function. Due to derivative of complement of error function, I am putting here minus sign. When you take derivative of complement of error function, you have to put minus sign. The direct way I take 2 by root pi is as it is. Write down derivative of ax with respect to x, which is a. And put u is equal to ax here. So this is derivative of this one, and you can use second Leibniz rule and you can prove it. Now here again the same thing. Use differentiation under integral sign rule. 2 by root pi I am writing as it is. Take derivative of, we are talking about the error function of root t, not complement of error function. If complement is there, minus sign here. Then take derivative of root t. Derivative of root t, you can write it directly also, and replace u by root t. Replace u by root t. That's all. Now 2 by root pi. Derivative of root t is 1 by 2 root t. E to the power minus root t whole square is t. This 2 gets cancelled. Okay, this is the derivative of error function of t. Now here the derivative of error function of ax is given, then derivative of complement of error function is given. So what to do? For the derivative of complement, just you change the sign. we have changed the sign here. Once again, derivative of error function of ax is given, and I want derivative of complement of error function of ax I want. In this case, what to do? Change the sign. Here we have plus, write down minus. If minus is there, write down plus in this way. Now, value of an integral. Value of this integral is asked, and we have been given derivative of error function of root t, which is given to you. Now, there are two options. In examination, there will be 4, but in order to save time, only 2 options I have written. So, value of this integral I want. So, what I am going to do? I am going to use integration by part. So, this is the first function, and exponential function is the second function always in integration by part. I am using integration by part. What is integration by part? First function into integral of second integral of e to the power minus t with respect to t is this one. Lower limit is 0, upper limit is infinity, minus integral of derivative of first function. Derivative of error function of root t is already given to you. I am writing directly. Derivative of error function of root t is directly given to you. Integral of derivative of error function of root t multiplied by integral of second function. Integral of second function is this. Now, so substitute t is equal to infinity, t equal to 0, e to the power minus infinity. Here I am writing e to the power minus infinity is 0. So for t equal to infinity, so this will be 0 because 0 multiplied by this will be 0. Minus, put t equal to 0. If you put t equal to 0, the error function of root 0 means error function of 0 will be 0. ERF of 0 is 0. And if it is 0, then 0 multiplied by this will be 0. Means for upper limit and lower limit, this is going to become 0. Now this integral I am going to solve. This minus and this minus plus. Root pi is outside. I have written. Then integral 0 to infinity. E to the power minus t, e to the power minus t, e to the power minus 2t I am writing. And 1 by root t. This is the denominator. 1 by root t. This can be written as t to the power minus 1 by 2. So in this way options are given, that's why. So what is the correct option then? 1 by root pi 0 to infinity e to the power minus 2t t to the power minus 1 by 2 means this is the correct option. Next problem. Value of an integral is dash dash. 2 options are given and one of the option is true. That we are going to see which option is correct. A to b e to the power minus x square. This I am going to solve separately. Value of this I want in terms of error function of a and error function of b. Now we know that I am going a little bit fast. We know that the error function of infinity is 1 and error function of infinity can be written as 2 by root pi integral 0 to infinity e to the power minus u square or minus x square. Okay, this is there. Now 1 equal to this one 2 by root pi. What I am going to do, 0 to infinity I am going to break in this way. Because of continuity you can write this a to b and here b to infinity e power minus x square, here e power minus x square and here e power minus x square. Then 2 by root pi I am multiplying it by root 2 by root pi 0 to a e power minus x square 2 by root pi a to b minus x square dx and 2 by root pi b to infinity to the power minus x square. 1 is equal to 2 by root pi. So by definition of error function, 2 by is 2 by root pi. Here 1 is equal to, here 1 is equal to, this is error function of a by definition of error function. Now this I am keeping as it is because value of this I want. Value of integral a to b e to the power minus x square I want. This I am keeping as it is. And by definition, this is complement of error function of b by definition. Is it? Now 1 is equal to, or this I am shifting on the left hand side, 1 minus error function of a minus error complement of error function of b, ERFC complement. And on the right hand side, what is left now? A to b e to the power minus x square. This is remaining. 1 minus error function of a. Here, 1 minus error function of complement of error function of b. See, 1 minus complement of error function of b is error function of b. Okay, this formula we have written there. 1 minus error complement of error function of b is error function of b. Means error function of b minus error function of a is right hand side. Now shift 2 by root pi on the left hand side. If you shift it on left hand side, what will happen? It will be root pi by 2 and error function of b minus error function of a. This value of this integral in terms of error function of a and error function of b we found. And what is the correct answer here? See, correct answer is, this b is the correct answer. Now 10th one. If alpha x is given, root 2 by root pi 0 to x e to the power minus t by 2 dt, then alpha of x root 2 is written as one of this. Alpha x is given is from this one, alpha, I am replacing x by x root 2 because its value we want. Wherever this alpha x is present, then I have to write x root 2 e to the power minus ty. Is it? Now, what I am going to do, this is t square, this is t square. This is what I am going to do, substitute t square by 2 equal to u square. Because I have to write this in terms of error function. Options are given like this. These 4 options are given. Now t square is equal to 2u square. T is equal to taking square root of both the side. Taking derivative now because we are going to change the limits if the changes are possible. When t is 0, then u is 0, root pi 2 by root pi. When t is 0, u is 0. When t is x root 2, u square is equal to x root 2. If you put t is equal to x root 2, if you substitute t is equal to x root 2, what will happen? X root 2 square by 2 is equal to u square. Now x square, this 2 gets cancelled, is equal to u square. Therefore u is equal to what? X. Here I am writing x e to the power minus u square dt. dt is root 2 du. Now root 2 multiplied by this is 2 by root pi 0 to x is as it is, e power minus u square as it is, du as it is, root 2 into root 2 is 2. And what is this? This is the definition of error function. This is error function of x. So what is the correct answer? This B is the correct answer. Error function of x is alpha times x root 2. In this way we solved some short answer questions on error function. We stop here. Thank you very much.